Hello dear students, now I will continue chapter application of integrals exercise 8.2 finding area under the curve and area between two curves. Okay, so main thing is for this chapter drawing. At first draw the curve and identify the region and shaded that region, and if there are corner points, then we have to find coordinate of that point. So one by one we can understand better by using some questions, solving questions. So take question first of exercise 8.2, the find the area of the circle. This is the first question's solution. (8.2) exercise question for first question. Question 1. Area of the circle 4x square plus 4y square equals to 9, which is interior to the parabola x square equal to 4y. X square equals to 4y. Area of the circle. This is a circle or this is a parabola. Now we have to draw these two on the same frame, and area of this circle interior to the parabola x square equals to 4y. You have to find area of that one. So first of all, these two, these are closed curve, this is open curve. So we have to draw diagram first of all. So here, suppose this is y axis, this is x axis, clear? This is x dash, this is x, and this is y axis, and this is y dash. Okay, this is origin. X is 4x square plus 4y square equal to 9. This is a circle. For drawing this circle, this can be written like this: x square plus y square equals to 9 by 4. Common 4 and take right on the right hand side. This is equals to 3 by 2 square. 3 by 2 square. Okay, that is the center. Center is origin. Radius is 3 by 2. So suppose this is 1, this is 2, then circle is 3 by 2. So here you can draw this circle. Suppose this is circle of radius. Center is this, this is the circle, this circle. Okay. So 0, 0 center and radius 3 by 2 square, that is 3 by 2. Okay. So this circle is what? 4x square plus 4y square equals to 9. This is 2, this is 1, this is 3 by 2. This is 3 by 2. Okay. Now x square equals to 4y. X square equals to 4y upward parabola. Like this. That is x square equals to 4y. Clear? Upward parabola. Now, interior to the parabola, because parabola is open curve or this is closed circle. So our region is interior to the parabola. This part. Interior side. So this is our bounded part. Okay. Here two intersection points are there. This is circle, this is parabola. Now for finding this area O, suppose A, B, C. So our required area is this part. Since circle is symmetric about both axes, parabola is symmetric about y axis. So area of this is equals to 2 times of area of OABO, single part, only this part. Clear? We have to find this 2 times of this area. The area between two curves, this one to this. But here from this to this, here x equals to 0 we know. Our formula is what? Y dx x dy. X dy means in this direction. Y dx means in this direction. So here we can take a vertical strip for y dx, PQ. Okay. So y dx formula will be, and here strip upper part is on this curve, lower part on this curve in this portion. So value of y from circle minus value of y from parabola. We have to use and dx and limit from 0 to this point. So coordinate of this point can be find by solving these two. We can solve these two. 4x square plus y square equal to 9, x square equal to 4y. So we can solve like just like this. 4x square plus 4y square equals to 9. Here x square equals to 4y. X square equal to 4y. So 4 into 4y plus 4y square equals to 9. So here 16y plus 4y square equals to 9. By solving here we can get the value of y. Okay. So here 4y square, y square plus 4y equals to 9y 4. Or we can solve like this, 4y square plus 16y minus 9 equals to 0. Now solving this we can get the value of y. So value of y can be find a, b, c. So suppose minus b plus minus root b square minus 4ac. B square means 16 square minus 4 into a into c minus 9 upon 2a. For solving this quadratic formula, so y equals to minus 16 plus minus 16 square 256. 16 to 16 what? 256. 256. This is 256 minus plus 16 into 9. 16 into 9. 144. So this 400. So what is the value? 400. Root of 400, that is 20. Okay, so plus minus upon 2a means 2 into 4 means 8. Here 8. So minus 16 plus minus 20. 20 to 20, 400. So upon 8. Now we can divide it. Minus 16 plus 20 by 8 and minus 16 minus 20 by 8, that is what? 20 minus 16 minus 4 by 8 minus 4 by plus 4 by 8, and here minus 36 by 8, that is what? 1 by 2, and here minus 9 by 2. So value of y is half minus 9 by 2. Two values are there. Now value of y is this, then we can get value of x. So x square equals to what? X square equals to 4 into 1 by 2 means 2. So x square equals to 2, x is equals to plus minus root 2. Or when we take y equals to minus 9 by 2, then x square equals to 4 into minus 9 by 2 in negative value. So this cannot be possible. This is not possible. So value of x is this, plus root 2 minus root 2. So here yes plus root 2, here minus root 2. So plus root 2. Value of x is plus root 2. So you have to find corner point, then we can solve it. Okay. So first value x plus root 2 here and minus root 2 will be here. The value of x, 2 value of x, and you can get the value of y, what? Along this 1 by 2, the value of y. So here just we require this coordinates, so writing like this. So you have to only, you can solve it in rough work, just find the intersection point, and you have to find correct intersection point, then you will get the answer. Okay, so this is intersection point. Now very simple. So write, consider on the following diagram, then according to question, the required area equals to required area, the area that we will find. Okay, so required area equals to what? O, area of O, A, B, C, O equals to what? Area 2 times of area OA, BO. That is 2 times of integration. Area of this, what? Y from upper car. Y from upper minus y lower dx equals to 2. Y upper means circle, from circle here. Y equals to what? Y square equals to 4y square equals to 9 minus 4x square. So y equals to plus minus 1 by 2 root over 9 minus 4x square. Y equals to plus minus 1 by 4, so 1 by 2 after taking a square root, so plus minus root, so upper part plus sign, so half upper part half root over 9 minus 4x square. upper part minus lower part y equals to x square by 4 x square by 4 dx. Clear? Upper part y from upper curve, y from lower curve. So y equal to this and y equal to. Now we have to solve it. Limit from here, that is x equal to 0, and here what? X equal to root 2. So 0 to root 2. 0 to root 2. Clear? In both. Now 1 by 2, 1 by 4. So 1 by 2 can be taken common. So 2 to cancel. 2 into 1 by 2. And here first integral root over 3a square minus 2x square. 3a square minus 2x square. We can write a square minus x square formula dx. First integral. Second integral 1 by 2 is taken out. So 1 by 2 integral of x square dx, limit 0 to root 2. Just we have to solve this integral, then we can get result. So 2 to cancel. So here first integral, the value of first integral root over a square minus x square means x by 2. Here x means 2x. So 2x equals to t. Then whole integral divided by 2, coefficient of x. So this is cancelled. 1 by 2 for first integral. So 0 to root 2, just like now write like this, 3a square minus 2x square dx minus of 1 by 2, 0 to root 2 x square dx. This is our integral. Now we can solve it. Okay. By solving this integral, we can get the required area. Clear? So this is area. So area equals to, use formula, what? X by 2, that is 2x by 2. In place of x, 2x by 2. Root over this 9 minus 4x square. Total x by 2 root a square minus x square plus a square by 2 sin inverse is by a. So plus a square by 2. A square means 3 square. 9 by 2 sin inverse x means 2x by 3a. This integral 0 to root 2 minus first a half x cube by 3 0 to root 2. 0 to root 2. Okay. So this is our and this divided by total divided by 2 because 2x. So total divided by 2 because if 2x equals to t, then dx equals to dt by 2, 1 by 2, 1 by 2 and t equals to 2x, 2x here, 2x here. Clear? So we can solve it. 1 by 2 putting limit 2 to cancel. So within bracket here x root 2 root over 9 minus 4 into x square 2 4 into 2 8 plus 9 by 2 sin inverse 2 root 2 upon 3 minus of 0 because in both places x to 0 sin inverse 0 0 is equal to 0 0 minus of root 2 or 3 means 2 root 2 root 2. So because root over 2 or 3 means what? 2 power 3 by 2 means what? 2. 1 plus 1 by 2 means 2 root 2. So 2 root 2. So 2 root 2 upon 6. This is 0 is 0. So this is equals to here root 2 by 2 1 plus 9 by 4, 1 by 2 multiply sin inverse 2 root 2 by 3 minus 2 root 2 by 6. Okay. Now, here we can see 2 root 2 by 6 means 2 by 3. 2 by 3. We can write root 2 by 3. Root 2 by 3. Root 2 by 3. So 2 by root 2. Root 2 by 2. Root 2 common. 1 by 2 minus 1 by 3 means what? 6 means 3 minus 2. 1 by 6 means root 2 by 6. Root 2 by 6. So root 2 by 6 plus 9 by 4 sin inverse 2 root 2 by 3. This is our answer. Okay. So you have to first draw the diagram and identify the area. This area is symmetric, that's why we are taking 2 times of this area, and from 0 to here coordinate. First of all you have to find coordinate, then 0 to root. Solve it, and then in solving integral we can get the result. Okay, root 2 by 6 plus 9 by 4 sin inverse 2 by 3. Clear? Now take question second. Question second is what? Find the area bounded by curve x minus 1 square. Now 2-3 questions I will give only discussion, main discussion, and finally you have to get the value of integral. Okay, so integration is very simple. Just direct use the formula and put the limit, and you can get the value. That will be the area. Okay, so main thing is what? So first of all you have to identify the curve and identify the region. What will be the region? So according to the question, consider the following diagram. Here diagram what? Find the area bounded by the curve x minus 1 square y square equal to 1. Here first curve is x minus 1 square plus y square equals to 1. This is first curve, the circle. This circle x minus 1 square plus y square equal to 1. And also another circle is x square plus y square equals to 1. Both are circle. Okay. So given question is what? You find area bounded by curves. These two curves. These two curves. These two curves is what are the curve? Circles. Both are circle. X minus h square plus y minus k square equals to a square. H is center. A is radius. So here 1 x minus h means 1 0. 1 0 is center, radius is 1 square. So we can draw diagram like this. Suppose this is x axis and y axis. Clear? This is y axis, this is x axis, center, and 1 0 and radius is 1. So 1. Suppose this is 1 0. This is 1. This is 1. So this is 1 0. Center 1 0. So this is center, and radius is also 1. That is 1. So circle like this. One radius circle. Okay, radius is equals to 1. Clear? This is the circle. So just to draw the diagram. This is circle. This at center at here. And this is 0 0 center, and 1 is radius 1 square. That is, this is center, this is radius. So it is also we can draw like this. Here, this is another circle, same circle. Center is 0 0 origin, and this is radius 1 radius. Okay, so this is the area. Just like same area as previous questions, that was horizontally, it is vertical. Okay, this circle is this, and this circle is x square plus y square equals to 1. Okay, these are the two circles. Clear? Now solving this two circle, x minus 1 square plus 1 square equals to 1. This is the circle. Okay, two circle. Now our same O, A, B, C. Clear? Here one thing is important, that we can find the value of this area by using either x dy formula or y ds formula. X dy means value of x in this, taking horizontal strip. Then value of x minus value of x from here, from here. But if we take vertical strip, then we can find the area by dividing it in two parts. Two parts means draw part vertical line parallel to y axis. This is vertical line. Okay. Coordinate of C we have to find. How can we get this coordinate? By solving this two. By solving this two, we can get the value. Okay, very simple. What? Y square equals to 1 minus x square. Y square equals to x minus 1 square plus y square equals to what? 1 minus x square. 1 minus x square equals to 1. 1 cancel. So here x square minus 2x plus 1 minus x square equals to 0. So x square cancel, minus 2x plus 1 equals to 0. That is x equals to what? 1 by 2. X equals to 1 by 2. That is here value of x is 1 by 2. And here also x is equals to 1 by 2. And y may be any value. But for these questions we require the y. You can also get the value of y. X equal to half. X equal to half. From here x equal to half. So half square. 1 by half square means 1 by 4. 1 by 4 plus y square equals to 1. Y square equals to what? 1 minus 1 by 4 means what? 4 minus 1, 3 by 4. That is y equals to what? Y equals to plus minus root 3 by 2. Root 3 by 2. That is root 3 by 2. This is root 3 by 2. And minus root 3 by 2. Yeah. Half minus root 3 by 2. This is diagram. If you draw diagram very clearly, then your question is solved near about 50%. Okay. So that is main thing. Now, drawing vertical line O, B, this C, suppose this is M, vertical line. Now, required according to questions, required area equals to what? Total area. Area of what? O, A, B, C, O. O, A, B, C, O. 2 times of area of what? Because this area is symmetric about x-axis. So this is equals to this. So find this area and take 2 times. So 2 times of area of what? O, B, C, O. Okay. So 2 times of area of this portion. Area of this portion is equals to what? Area of OMCO. OMCO plus area of MBCM. MBCM. Okay. Area of this plus area of this. Total area is equals to 2 times of this, and this is area equals to this plus this. So here 2 times of first area. This area. For this, taking vertical strip just like this, PQ. Here also vertical strip, P dash Q dash. Here PQ, upper part on the circle, this circle, upper part on this circle. So from here, value of y. Here y equals to what? Y equals to y square equals to 1 minus this, 1 minus x minus 1 square root plus minus y equals to. So plus root, upper part. So root over 1 minus x minus 1 square. First part dx. Why dx? A limit from 0 to this line, that is half. 0 to half plus second area. Yes. From half to 1. From half to 1. And value of y from here. Here y equals to what? Plus minus root of 1 minus x square. 1 minus x square. Y equals to plus minus root of 1 minus x square plus sign required 1 minus x square dx. Clear? So this integral you can solve. Very simple. How can you solve it? 2 times of a square minus x square formula you will be used in place of x minus 1. X minus 1 can be taken as a t. If this is t, then dx equals to dt. And coefficient of x is 1, so divided by 1. So you can use direct as a x, treat this. And this is also 1 minus x square. So its formula will be what? X by 2. X means x minus 1. And x minus x square, this. 1 minus x minus 1 square plus a square by 2. 1 by 2. Sin inverse x by a. X minus 1 by a means 1. Clear? This first part. Limit from 0 to half plus second. Also same formula. Okay? What? Only direct formula. So x by 2 root over 1 minus x square plus 1 by 2 a square by 2 sin inverse x by 1. Limit from half to 1. Total is 2 times. Now you can put limit here. First of all, in place of x, put half, and then minus in place of x 0. You can get result. Clear? So do it from yourself. Okay? 2 pi by 3 minus root 3 by 2. You can get the result. 2 pi by 3 minus root 3 by 2. 2 pi by 3 minus root 3 by 2. 2 pi by 3 minus root 3 by 2. You can get result also half minus 1 minus half minus 1 by 4, and here also half minus half. Totally you can solve it. Half minus 1 means minus half means sin inverse minus half means minus pi by 6. Also in terms of 0, sin inverse minus 1 means sin inverse minus 1 means minus pi by 2. Similarly here you can put the limit and solve it. You can get finally answer like this. Okay, so this is the main idea for these questions. You have to draw first diagram very neatly and clearly, and then you have to write like this here. Set this formula and just use that formula and solve it and get result. Okay. Now take question third. Previous question was 2. This question third. Third is what? Find area of the region bounded by the curve y equal to x square plus 2. Curve is y equals to x square plus 2. Boundary curve y equal to x square plus 2. Y equal to x equal to 0, x equal to 3. Y equal to x equal to 0, x equals to 3. X equal to 0, x equal to 3, y equal to x, y equal to x square plus 2. These 4 curves are boundary. These 3 are line, these are parabola. You know this parabola. So what? Parabola means x square equals to what? X square equals to y minus 2. That is what? X square equals to, you can write like this. X minus 0 square equals to y minus 2. That is what? Capital X square equals to y. That is parabola will be upper, but vertex will be 0, 2. Clear? So this is the parabola whose vertex at the point 0, and remaining are drawing as x equal to y. So 0, 2 is the vertex, that is that point. Okay, so this parabola can be drawn like this. How? Main thing is drawing, identifying the region. Clear? Here, suppose this is y-axis, this is x-axis. Okay, this is origin, this is y-axis. Now here y equals to 2. Suppose this is y equals to 2, this is 1, y equals to 2, this is 0. In this line here 0, x value of x is 0, and y equals to 2. We have 1, here 2. So this is 0, 2. This is the point. And this point is vertex of the parabola and upward side. So we can draw parabola like this. Clear? This is y equals to x square plus 2. Okay. Now y equal to x, we know line y equal to x. So y equal to x is line means at 45 degree angle with x axis, this line. Whether this line is crossing this, intersecting this parabola or not, how can you see it? Solve this too. If we get real point, then we will intersect. If we get imaginary point that not intersecting, so y equal to x, we can put here y equal to x. So x equals to x square plus 2. So here we can see that x square minus x plus 2 equals to 0. X equals to what? Minus b minus plus 1 plus minus root b square minus 1 square minus 4ac. ac is 1 into 2 equal to 2 means 8, means 1 minus 8 means root over minus 7, imaginary roots. So there are no intersection of these two curves. So we can draw line like this without intersecting it. Okay. So this is line origin y equals to x, not intersecting with parabola, and line x equals to 0. You know x equals to 0 means what? Y axis. This line x equals to 0. X equals to 0 means this line. Clear? And x equals to 3. X equals to 3. We can see x equals to 3 here. Then y equals to what? 10. That is this line intersecting this. So we can draw like this. Suppose this is x square. This is x equals to 3. Then this point will be what? X equals to 3. X equals to 3. 3. Intersecting point. How can we find intersecting point? X equal to 3 here. You can put here x equal to 3. So x equal to 3. Then 3 square 9 plus 2 11. 3. Okay. 3 square 9 plus 2 and 10 11. So y equal to 11. Okay. And here also x equals to what? 3. Y equals to always 3. And what? 3. So now boundary is this and this. That is our intersection point. Required area is this. So O, suppose A, suppose B, suppose C. So required area is equals to what? Like this. Then the required area equals to area of what? O, A, B, C, O. O, A, B, C, O. So this area can be, this area enclosing vertically two lines, between two lines. So this is x equals to 0, this is x equals to 0. So, and in between there are single curve upper and there are single curve lower. So we can take vertical steep. Take vertical steep P q. So from here we can find the value of y from here minus value of y from here. Here means from parabola, here means from line. So this area is equals to what? Integral y from upper part parabola minus y from what? Line. This y dx, limit from 0 to 3, 0 to 3. So 0 to 3, y from parabola, this x square plus 2 minus y from line, x dx. Only solve this, we can get the result. Very simple. What? X cube by 3 plus 2x minus x square by 2, 0 to 3, 3 cube by 3 plus 2 into 3 minus 3 square by 2 minus 0, all are 0. So what? 3 is 9 plus 6 minus 9 by 2. This 9 is 15 minus 9 by 2 means 30 minus 9. 30 minus 9 means what? 30 minus 9 is 21 by 2. So what is the answer of this question? 21 by 2. Very good. Simple calculation. Main thing is diagram. Clear? Now I will discuss about three questions, and you have to do it. Just I will give complete hint, that is drawing diagram and up to the making of integral, and you have to solve it completely, these three questions, and send to me for your attendance. Clear? Here questions. Take questions. Find area lying above x-axis included between the circle and inside of the parabola is equal to 4x. Here in these questions given y square equals to 4x and x square plus y square equals to 8x. This is circle, this is parabola. Okay, this is circle, this is parabola. Area included between inside of the parabola y square equal to 4x and lying above the x-axis. So you have to identify first what is the bounded area in plane. Then you have to use formula and solve it. So these three questions for your attendance, but just I will give complete hint. So lying above x-axis means we have to find the upper part of x-axis. So here this is what? Circle. So first of all you have to identify what is the center of circle and radius. So here this is given, so we can write like this: x square minus 8x plus y square equals to 0, x square minus 2 into x into 4 plus 4 square plus 4 square plus y square equals to 4 square. We can write like this because we try to make perfect square. So x square minus 2 into x into 4 into 2, 8x can be adjusted like this. A square minus 2ab plus b square, so 4 square plus here and here, and y square is this. So x minus 4 square, x square minus 2 into x into 4, 2 into x into 4 plus 4 square plus y minus 0 square equals to what? 4 square. That is center is 4 0 and radius is 4. Center is 4 0 and radius is 4. Okay. 4. Okay. So we can draw diagram of this circle. Here this can be written as what? X minus 4 square plus y minus 0 square equals to 4 square. This can be written like this. So you can draw the diagram. How? Circle center at 4 0. So, and if this is 4, this is 4 0, this is 4 0, then this is 4. So radius is also 4. So circle is this. Circle is this like, है ना? Clear? Let's draw the diagram very carefully. So this looks like better. Okay, this is circle, and y square equal to 4x. We have to draw. We know this is right-handed parabola, just like this. Now, how can you draw this parabola, like from inner part of the circle or from outer part of the circle? How can you decide it? Here y square equals to 4x, and here y square equals to what? 8x minus x square. That is, if we roughly see here that y square equals to 4x and y square equals to 8x minus x square, that is the value of this is less value than circle, because 4x only y square equals to, but here y square equals to 8x minus something, double minus something. So, and also we can see the intersection point of these two curves. Here what? Y square equals to 4x. In other way, means whether we have to draw like this or this. Drawing this means parabola intersect circle at 2 points, here and here. At this means only at single point. So we can see by solving this to x minus 4 square means, or given circle was what? X square plus y square equals to 8x. So y square equal to 4x. We can see x square plus 4x equals to 8x. That is what? X square minus 4x equals to 0. That is x common. X minus 4. X common. X minus 4 equals to 0. That is what? X equal to 0. X equal to 4. That means this is origin 1 0 here, 1 4 here. That is parabola intersected here, and this is 4. Parabola go like this. This is 4. Because 4 4. So this point 4 something. Okay, here 4 0, and this is origin. This is parabola 1.0 0. 1 0 here, 1 4 here. So parabola from inner part. Clear? Same. This passing through here. Okay, like this. So this is our part. This part we have to find. Clear? This part, inner part. Inner part means what? Complete. This part is our required area. Inside the parabola, not this part. Inside the parabola. So this part. So these two parts are symmetric about x-axis. That's why. But here we have to find area upper x-axis. Upper x-axis. That means our required part is this. Only this part. So O, A, B, C. So our required area. What? Required area equals to area O, A, B, C, O. O, A, B, C, O. Upper part, only upper part. And upper part is divided by this line in two parts. So first part taking strip PQ, second part taking strip P dash Q dash. Clear? So upper part area of OACO plus area ABCA. This part and this part. Vertical strip ydx. So integral ydx y from parabola. Parabola means what? Y square equal to 4x. So y equal to 4x dx. Limit from here 0, here 4. 0 to 4 plus. Second 4 to here what? 8. This is 4. This is 8. 8. This is 8. 0. Okay. So 4 to 8. 4 to 8. And y from circle. This circle. From this circle. Y. Circle is this. Y equals to what? Y equals to, we can write like this from here, because for writing formula for integration direct. So here y square equals to what? 4x square minus x minus 4 square. We can write from here 4 minus x square minus 4. So 4 minus x square minus x minus 4 square. 4 square minus. Clear? Of root, because this is equals to plus minus root over this. Okay? So plus of root of 4 minus x minus 4 square dx. Now you can solve this integral. X square by 2 means 2. So here 4 x square by 2, 0 to 4 plus here you can apply limit a square minus x square. X minus 4 may be treated as a t. So what? X minus 4 by 2, x by 2, root over a square minus x square means 4 square minus x minus 4 square plus a square by 2. A square means what? 4 square by 2. Sine inverse. Sine inverse what? You can write like this. 4 square by 2 sine inverse x means 4, x minus 4 by a means what? 4, and limit from 4 to 8. Now you can solve it. Okay, get the result. Clear? Sure, you can solve it by using direct formula and get the result as 4 by 3, 8 plus 3 pi. 4 by 3, 8 plus 3 pi. This is the result. So this is for your practice. So main thing is diagram. First of all, you have to draw circle, then parabola from inner side, because whether we have to draw parabola from outside of the circle, from inside of the circle. If these two are not intersected more than one point, then we can draw parabola from outside. But here by solving we see that intersected at 2 points. So from at 0 and also at 4, so parabola will draw from inside of the circle. So this is the diagram. Now inside area to the parabola and this circle is this, because inside area is this and this is the outside of the parabola. So this is not included, only this side. But upper x-axis, that is this, only this part. So this is equals to this plus this. So two parts are there. First part, this is formula. Second part, this is formula. Applying formula, applying limit, you can solve and get right. These are the first questions. Okay. Now second question. And so second questions are smaller area enclosed between. No. Second question is find the area bounded by the curve y equal to cos x between x equal to 0 to x equal to pi. Okay, y equals to cos x and x equals to 0 to x equals to 2 pi. These are the boundary. We have to find area. So how can we find this area? So draw the diagram. You know diagram of cos x. This is x-axis. This is y-axis. The diagram of cos x. What will be the diagram of cos x? Y equals to cos x. It is 0, then 1 is this, then here pi by 2, here pi, here 3 pi by 2, here 2 pi, x equals to. This is 1, this is also 1. So this is the curve. What? Y equals to cos x and x equals to 0 and x equals to 2 pi. 3 lines. X equals to 0 is this. X equals to 0. This is x equals to 0 and x equals to 2 pi is this line. Value of x along this line. So this is the area line and this part is the this is our required area. Okay, so for finding this area plus this area plus this area, A1, A2, A3, how can you get A1? Because this area lies in the lower place. So for finding this area, we have to take modulus value. Clear? So here we can get required area is equals to what? A1, A2 plus A3. Clear? So A1, we can draw vertical strip here, also draw vertical strip here, also draw vertical strip here. So what? Y dx, y means what? Curve, cos x. So cos x dx plus second also what? Y, lower part, negative side. So taking modulus value of also cos x dx plus, and third part like this, integral cos x dx. Limit from 0 to pi by 2. First 0 to pi by 2. Here 0 to pi by 2 to 3 pi by 2. Pi by 2 to 3 pi by 2. Or here 3 pi by 2 to 2 pi. 3 pi by 2 to 2 pi. Clear? Very simple. Taking modulus sign, whatever be the value. If value is comes negative, then modulus gives positive. Comes negative. Okay. So this is area below x-axis. So we will take modulus sign in the formula. Okay. So this can be solved by putting this limit. Cos x means what? Sin x integration what? Sin x. Put limit 0 to pi by 2. Here also take mod sin x. Put limit what? Pi by 2 to 3 pi by 2 plus what? Sin x. Put limit 3 pi by 2 to 2 pi, and you can get result 4 as a result 4. Okay. So you have to do this question also in your copy for your attendance. Okay. Now another question is very important questions, frequently asked in examination, that is prove that the curve y equal to 4x, x equal to 4y divide the area of the square bounded by x equal to 0, 4 and y equal to 4, 0 in 3 equal parts. Clear? Curve x equal to 0, first curve is this, second curve is this is x-axis, this is y-axis, this is center and x dash. X-axis, y-axis, this parabola is, we know, y square equal to 4x, and this parabola is x square equals to 4y. These two parabola, curve means this, divides the square x equals to 0, here x equals to 0, x equals to 4 is this. We can solve it. We can see this is 4, 4. This is 4, 4. And this. Y equals to 4, y equals to 0, x equals to 0, x equals to 4. 4 lines are this. Clear? And this square OABC, we can draw these two lines and get intersection point of this are 4, 4. So x equal to 4, x equal to 0, y equal to 0, y equal to 4. This is OABC is square. This curve divides this part in 3 equal parts. 3 equal parts means this area, also this area, and this area are same. Clear? this area, and this area are same. We have to prove. So, first part A1, second part A2, third part A3. Suppose A1. A1 can be find how? By x dy formula. We know formula. By taking a strip like this, what? X dy, integrate from y, limit y to x, value of x. So, if this is curve, if we take OBC, this area, then we can take a strip like this, x dy, and limit from here to here, that is 0 to 4, x dy, x from this curve, y square by 4, y square by 4, 0 to 4, y square by 4 dy. You can solve it. Clear? Now, this area 3. Area 3 is also simple. If this is upper curve and this is vertical strip, then ydx formula. So 0 to 4 also ydx formula. 0 to 4 ydx. Y means this curve from x square by 4. X square by 4. 0 to 4 dx. You can solve it. Now area this 2, A2. A2 equals to what? Area. If here we take vertical strip like this, then value of y, vertical, value of y from this parabola, minus value of y from this parabola, lower part. From here and here. Here means this. So also what? From 0 to 4. Y upper minus y lower dx. What? 0 to 4 upper means this here. Value of y positive value plus minus 2 root x, so 2 root x minus lower value of y, x square by 4 from here, lower part, x square by 4 dx. So you can solve it. Very simple. S power 3 by 2 by 3 by 2, s cube by 3, here s cube by 3, here y cube by 3, and put limit, and you can get value as 16 by 3, 16 by 3, 16 by 3. Okay, so these three parts are equal. So you have to do these three questions very neatly and clearly in your copy and send to me for your attendance. Okay.